This is EnviroSafe Industrial R134a replacement, our top of the line product. This product is going to run 5 degrees cooler than the regular 6-ounce replacement would die. We also have 4 SUV. These are the exact same product. We're just specifying that you can use this in an SUV. This product can go in any vehicles, not just SUV, but with the dual air in an SUV, this product's increased cooling capacity is going to be optimal for it. In Canada and overseas, this product actually replaces R134YF, so the cooling capacity is up to that standard or above, which means it'll perform much better than your standard R134a. This was manufactured for hot and humid climates, but that doesn't mean you can't use it. Let's say if you're up in Illinois like we are, but if you're down in Texas, you've got a tractor, this product is going to be perfect for you, but you can also use it in your everyday driver. One thing to note, with these cans, each of them has a piercing style top, not the modern self-sealing tops. So you will need an old style piercing valve, or in our gauge set, we include the piercing valve in our all-in-one charging gauge, which is available on this listing.